So here we have some area, perimeter and volume, and it's a worksheet for you. So a rectangular computer screen has sides of length 35 and 25. So how do we find the area? Well, the area is equal to the length times the width, which in this case is 35 centimeters multiplied by 25 centimeters, which is equal to, use your calculator, 35 times 25 is equal to 875 centimeters squared. Work out the length of the perimeter. So for the perimeter, we add all sides. So in this case we have 35 centimeters plus 25 plus 35 plus 25, which is equal to 120 centimeters. Okay, so note the difference between area and perimeter. And here we have a box. Okay, so we want to find the volume is equal to length by breadth by height, which in this case is equal to 20 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 30 centimeters, which is equal to, use your calculator again, 3,600 centimeters cubed, as this measurement here is 6 centimeters. Okay, so some area, perimeter and volume for you. Question 2. A rectangular garden is 30 meters long, 20 meters wide. Find the area. So the area is equal to length by width, 30 meters by 20 meters, which is equal to 600 meters squared. And these are your typical exam style questions. So a square flower bed is dug in the garden. The side of the flower bed is 8, so it's the shape of a square. So in a square all the sides are the same. So find the area. Well, the area will be equal to 8 meters by 8 meters, length by width, which is equal to 64 meters squared. Okay, so that's a bit more area for you. The rest of the garden is covered in grass. Okay, so the garden, take away the flower bed, is equal to 600 meters squared minus 64 meters squared, which is equal to 536 meters squared. So you want to find the area of the grass, take out the flower bed, and we're left with 536 meters squared. A concrete pillar is in the shape of a cylinder. The diameter is 30. So how do we find the radius? The radius is half the diameter. So that's equal to 30 centimeters. Half of that divided by 2 is 15 centimeters. Now we're going to find the volume, and we have the formula for volume is pi r squared h. So pi is equal to 3.142. They told us in the question. The radius we know to be 15 centimeters squared, and we know the height is 240 centimeters. So use your calculator. 240 is equal to 169,668 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's the volume of the cylinder. 4 of these pillars are used in a building. Find the total volume. So 4 multiplied by 169,668 centimeters cubed is equal to 678,672 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's for 4 of the cylinders. Now we're on to the next question. The diameter of a circle measures 12, so what's the radius? Well, radius is equal to a half of 12, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Again, we're asked to find the volume of a cylinder, and we have the formula for volume. So pi is 3.142. The radius is 6 centimeters squared, and the height is 30 centimeters. So multiply that out on your calculator, and we get 3393.36 centimeters cubed. Because it's volume, it's always in centimeters cubed. Okay.